Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of this hotel is Villa Margaux. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I booked the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, so once again, the name of the hotel is Villa Margaux. So let's start off with the bedroom. Okay, it's a bit small, but I think it's doable, being that it's close to the Eiffel Tower and also it's within downtown. So let's start off with the queen size bed. Okay, the ceilings, no popcorn ceilings, no drawers neither, but you have your homemade nightstand, your lamp. Let me turn on the other one. This one didn't turn on. Oh well. Nope, it didn't turn on. So that one is not working. This one is. So far it's clean with complimentary shampoo. And I'm guessing this is lotion. Okay. And this is your view. You have your little patio downstairs. Small patio. So that's the view. Okay. And now your twin size day bed. You have your little TV here. Definitely a 32-inch. Small size, very, very small size closet. Peace. You have your safe. And a few drawers, or shelves rather. Your doors here. We at room 36. Oh, we have a fridge. Small size fridge. And a small size desk. Your chair. And my new Thule 40-liter travel bag. This is pretty good. If y'all want one, I'll leave an affiliated link on the description of this video. Now, the bathroom. This is definitely quite small. Peace. your bathtub, shower, complimentary soap. What's this? Oh, your personal stuff like I see cotton swab and maybe face pad. What is this? Shower cap. Okay. Your toiletries. Quite small. Your hair dryer. That's it. Quite small, but it's doable. My final thoughts. First and foremost, the front desk, very helpful, very professional, and he let us check in very early. It's about what? Let me check. 10:12. 10:12 Paris time. And thank you, first and foremost. He let us in, or he let us check in quite early, very early. The room is available. And also, it's Monday, okay? It's December 19th, 2022. The room, quite small, very small. But then again, I'm not trying to live here. I just want to use this room to sleep, wash up, and check out Paris. On another note, the elevator is out of service and the room is located on the 3rd floor. It's all good. I'm gonna get my exercise on, so it's no big deal. So yeah, that's my final thoughts. I like it. Even though it's small, it's clean. The front desk, very professional, and cordial. I like it. And also, just to add, I booked this hotel through American Express travel portal. For those who don't know, that I am using my American Express Platinum card, Charles Schwab version that is. So I'm trying to spend 6,000 in 6 months so I can receive or earn 100,000 points. And that goes to your statement credit or your travel portal credit. And so far, so good. Check-in is a breeze and no issue, no problem. So yeah, that's my final thoughts. Hello world. I just want to share with you the aftermath after taking a shower in this particular bathroom. Now observe, there's no shower curtains. By not having any shower curtains, you will have a spill onwards outside the bathtub. Now granted, there's a portable handle on the shower where you could take it out and shower, but still, it's not enough. The water leaks out all the way to the other side of the bathroom, as you observe here. This is a bit of an inconvenience due to the fact that I have to clean it up every time I shower, and also for the housekeeping that they will have to clean it up every day or as so often as they can. In my opinion, the management should install a shower curtain. Thank you. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.